Joong Gun, 32 moves. Joong Gun is named after the patriot An Joong Gun, who assassinated Hiro Bumi Ito, the first Japanese governor-general of Korea, known as the man who played the leading part in the Korean-Japan merger. The 32 movements represents Mr. An's age when he was executed in Lui-Shin prison in 1910. Ray Stance B. Left ridge hand block, left front kick, right upset palm heel. Right ridge hand block, right front kick, left upset palm heel. Left double knife hand block, right reverse upset elbow. Right double knife hand block, left reverse upset elbow. Twin punch, twin upset punch, ki. X block high, left back fist, pull back, right reverse punch. Right back fist, pull back, left reverse punch. Left double inner forearm block, left punch, right side kick, right double inner forearm block, right punch, left side kick, left double fist block, left double pressing block, right double fist block, right double pressing block, right horizontal punch, slow, right C block, left C block, ki.